In this demo, we will show you how to use the If widget. In this app, we have two buttons that increment or decrement a local variable. Let's see this in action. Clicking the buttons will update the text on the screen, displaying the current value of a local variable that changes when one of the buttons is clicked. Let's now return to Service Studio and start working with if widgets. Let's delete the existing expression and add an if widget to display the message, number is 0. If widgets allow you to display different content depending on a condition. Double-clicking the if allows you to set the condition. In this case, we want to check if the number is 0. Inside the true branch area, we can add our content. Let's add some simple text, publish the app, and open it in the browser. If we click one of the buttons, the text disappears, since the value is not 0 anymore. Clicking the other button will cause the text to appear since the value is 0 again. Let's add another if, this time inside the false branch of the previous one. In the condition, let's verify if the number is positive. The true branch will be displayed if the condition evaluates to true, meaning the number is positive, while the false branch will be shown when the number is negative. The text now shows that the value is 0, as expected. But, if we click the buttons, we can see it changing. This way, we can have certain content appearing, depending on how a condition is evaluated.